Hi, I'm Alexis, and right now in the Fancy Apron kitchen, we are going to make a honey mustard dipping sauce 3 different ways. Each of these sauces has tons of bright flavor and they mix up in minutes. No matter what you want to serve, you're going to love this sauce. This first sauce recipe is your basic honey mustard, the one that's kid approved. Everyone's going to like to eat it. It's super simple. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of your favorite honey, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Then all you have to do is stir it really well together in the bowl that it's in, and it's good to go. This sauce is so simple, but it's so much better than anything you can buy bottled at the store. In less than a minute, we have our first sauce ready to go. This is like your basic sauce. This is the one that your kids are gonna love because the flavors are super simple. And once you get this one, then you can change it 100 different ways and make it different every time. So let's go on to number 2. So this honey mustard sauce is going to be a little bit spicier because to our 1/4 cup of mayo and our 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, we are going to add hot honey instead. And I love the bright flavor. The heat and the sweet go together so well. And then we're still going to add in our half a teaspoon of lemon juice, but this time we're also going to add some extra spices. So I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just like before, all you have to do is stir it together and it's ready to serve. So a seasoned sweet potato fry. It's my absolute favorite. So the heat hits you on the backside, not the backside, on the back half of eating it. That's when you feel that heat, that spice a little bit more. If you want to make it even more spicy, you can add more honey, more of the hot honey, or you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper so that your sweet and your spice are exactly the way you want it. And that's what this is about. This is good. This is going to be the one that Cooper wants to eat. All right, one more. For the last one, we are kicking it up a notch. We're making it a little bit fancy by adding some whole grain mustard. So just like the other ones, we are going to start with a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. It's going to add a little bit more flavor and it's going to add a little bit of texture to the sauce. Then we will do our mayo, our 2 tablespoons of honey, some lemon juice, and those same spices before: paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Stir it together really well and you're good to go. This last sauce is perfect for things like pork tenderloin, roast chicken, or roasted vegetables. If you want the recipe card or more ideas for your honey mustard sauce, grab the link below. It'll take you over to fancyapροncooking.com and you can get everything you need there.